In this video, I will show you how to fix error code 5 in Marvel Rivals. The first step is to restart your Steam. So at the bottom right of your screen, right-click on the Steam and click on the quit button. Try running Marvel Rivals again to see if the issue is resolved. Sometimes a quick Steam restart can solve various game-related errors. Second step is to verify the integrity of the game. So on your Steam app, go ahead and open the Files section and go to the Library tab and find the game that you want to verify. So after you found Marvel Rivals on your library, go ahead and right-click on it and select Properties. Now under the Installed Files tab, click on the Verify Integrity of Game Files button, and this process will compare your local files with the server's current version and repair any missing or corrupted files. Now once done, try relaunching the game on your device. Now this should be able to fix the error code 5 in Marvel Rivals. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.